Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Paramount Plus on your TV. Easy activation process step by step clearly. To activate Paramount Plus on your TV, start by powering on your device. Make sure your TV is connected to the internet. Navigate to the App Store on your TV. Search for the Paramount Plus app using the search function. Once you find it, select the app and click on the Install button. After the installation completes, open the Paramount Plus app. You will be prompted to sign in or create a new account. If you already have an account, select the Sign In option. Enter your email address and password associated with your Paramount Plus account. If you need to create a new account, follow the on-screen instructions to sign up. After signing in, you may receive an activation code on your TV screen. Take note of this activation code. Next, grab your smartphone or computer and open a web browser. Visit the activation website at paramountplus.com/activate. You will be prompted to enter the activation code you noted earlier. Input the code and click on the Submit button. Once the code is accepted, you will see a confirmation message. Return to your TV, where the Paramount Plus app will refresh. Now, you can start streaming your favorite shows and movies on Paramount Plus. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.